I've successfully generated and posted the weekly Intercom support report directly to our team's Slack. Now, everyone has full visibility into key metrics without ever needing to touch a spreadsheet or a dashboard. Hey, this is Alex, and today we are going to build this exact AI agent in JetAdmin. Our goal is to create an assistant that automatically pulls Intercom data and summarizes it for the team every week. Let's create a new agent, name it as a support bot assistant, and look at the layout of the agent's settings. On the left, we have the instructions that define how the agent behaves. Below that are the tools, the specific apps that the agent can actually use. On the right is where we'll test our work in real time. Let's start building the agent. Our starting point is Intercom, so we'll add that as a tool. Now let's test it by asking the agent to return the latest conversations that have taken place recently. As you can see, it retrieves data from Intercom successfully. Now, the way I want this agent to work is to understand what time window it's reporting on. In our case, it should always work with data from the previous calendar week. We encode that directly into the instructions so there's no ambiguity. Now we instruct it to use Intercom as the primary data source. The agent needs access to Intercom collections like conversations and actions like search conversations, search tickets, and list data events. We also need to define metrics precisely. This part is critical. Agents fail when metrics are vaguely defined, so we're being explicit about how each number is calculated, not just what it's called. This ensures the report is consistent and trustworthy every week. Next, we define how the output should look. We want a clean, human-readable summary that works naturally inside Slack. No raw JSON, no tables that don't render well. Now we add Slack as a tool. Once the report is generated, the agent posts it automatically to a dedicated Slack channel called Support Weekly. We also need to enable the messages and channels collections and the send message action for Slack. Let's test it. After saving our settings, we open the chat and ask the agent to generate last week's Intercom support report. You can watch it work in real time, retrieving conversations, calculating metrics, and drafting the message. We'll review the drafted message to ensure everything looks correct, then hit confirm. The agent finishes the execution, provides a quick summary in our chat, and automatically posts the full report directly to the designated Support Weekly Slack channel. And just like that, we've built a reporting agent which pulls data from Intercom, calculates key support metrics, generates a summary, and publishes it to Slack automatically so our team gets visibility without dashboards or spreadsheets. You can interrupt anytime to ask other questions about support. Use it as you wish. What should you remember? Creating good agents involves both art and science. It's about balancing instructions, not overloading with information, and choosing the right tools to fit your workflow. Think of your agents as a work in progress that you refine as you and your colleagues use them more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.